fasiq. A fasiq, the scholars they say, is a person who commits major sins or he is consistent upon minor sins. Fasiq is a person who what? It's a person who commits major sin, okay, for the Muslim. Because the word fasiq can sometimes be used for the disbelievers, right? But for the believer, when it's used, it's referring to somebody who commits major sins, or a person who's consistent upon what? Minor sins. Consistent. We won't say the person who does minor sins, because we all fall into it. And if a person repents from the major sin, 𝗕𝗲𝗶𝗾𝗃𝗲𝗵 كَمَنْ لَا ذَنْبَ لَهُ. The one who repents from his sins now is like he's never ever committed that sin in the first place. We're talking about the person who's consistent upon his major sins and he's also consistent upon his minor sins. This person is a fasiq.